Hello, my name is Travis Huggins, and this is my second question for this week's assignment for Anatomy and Physiology 2 Lab for Module 8. And again, this is the second and final question we have for lab, and it is 3 major organs of the male reproductive system. So we have them all right here. The major organs that we're going to go over consist of the testes, or the male gonads, which are located within the scrotum here. The testes produce sperm, which travel through a group of tubes called ducts to opening outside of our body, and they do that through the penis, which is right here. So, starting with the testes, they are in a sac-like scrotum, as you can see right here, which is located outside of our abdominal and pelvic cavity. They are divided into 2 parts known as the lobules, right here, that contain tiny little tubules known as seminiferous tubules. It's within those that the sperm is made. Sperm is the male gamete. They also produce the hormone testosterone, which has great many uses. The penis here consists of a root, a body, the glands, a penis, and the prepuce. The prepuce may be removed shortly after birth in what we call circumcision. We have learned recently that circumcision actually helps lower the risk of getting things like urinary tract infections, HIV, or other diseases like that. So circumcision seems to be a pretty good idea. During sexual stimulation, there are spaces, vascular spaces, which fill with blood within the penis that is supplied by the internal iliac arteries. See all the arteries and veins in here. Which insert into the penile arteries that are divided into the dorsal arteries and the deep arteries. The function of the penis, there's 2. One is it delivers sperm to the female reproductive organs, and it's also part of the urinary system, as it's where urine is excreted. Last but not least, we have the scrotum, which we outlined before. It's a thin external sac that is located under the penis and is composed of skin and smooth muscle. The sac is divided into 2 compartments by the scrotal septum. It contains the external spermatic fascia, the testes, the epididymis, and the spermatic cord. The scrotum helps to maintain thermoregulation for the testes so that they are able to produce sperm. So together, the scrotum and the penis make up the external male genitalia. And that is my presentation. Thank you.